My name is Courtney Kane, and I'm an attorney here at Atticus Family Law. I was drawn to family law as I came from a family of divorce myself. Through this process, I realized that there was a much better way of doing things, and I wanted to make an impact myself. When I found Matt and Atticus, I was blown away by their approach on family law. Part of our vision is that we protect the soul of the family, and that just resonated with me so much because at the end of this is only a part of your life. And at the end of this, you will still have your family. My family's forever my family. Your family will forever be their family, but it'll look a little different. But that is still worth protecting. And however you want that to look, that is worth protecting and finding someone that will treat that with the love and sincerity and importance, respect, responsibility that it deserves. And I really take it as an honor to represent my clients in this position of their life. I was a previous athlete and I'm a lifelong sports fan, and I really view us as a team. I work with my clients. I want to get to know you, get to know me, set a goal, set a game plan, and work to get to those goals and work together as a team to get the best outcome that we can for you and your family.